Hi, Helen from ModCon Campus here. Today we're going to make the easiest s'mores you've ever made. So they're specifically for Easter, although with the fact that hot cross buns are now out straight after Christmas, it could be any time from now on. So what you're going to do is take 2 hot cross buns. I'm using the chocolate chip ones because, well, my family likes extra chocolate. So I'm just going to cut them in half. And I'm going to spread them with a little bit of Nutella. Now I'm going to do both sides with the Nutella, just because my family, as I said, are real chocolate fiends. Okay, so now we're just going to take our marshmallows. I like to mix it up a little bit and have a little bit of the pink ones and the white ones. And just going to put the lid on and squish him down a bit. Now I'm going to take a couple of pieces of baked paper that I've just cut to size to sit them on. Now I like to use the camp oven, basically because you can use it on the fire or on your stove. I always use a simmer plate underneath my camp oven because it breaks up the heat and dissipates it over a larger area. Now in my camp oven I've got a trivet ready to sit my hot cross buns on. So now what I'm going to do is just, with the paper, place them on the trivet, and then put the lid on, and in about 10 minutes I'm going to check them to see whether or not I need to bring down the temperature on the stove. So it's been about 10 minutes, so what I'm going to do is just check that my bottoms aren't getting too browned. So let's have a look. Nope, just doing beautifully, and my marshmallows are starting to have a little bit of give in them. So I'm just going to close that back up and leave it for about another 5 and see where we're at. Okay, so it's been another 5 minutes. I'm just going to check. I think, oh, look at that. We've gone all melty. Oh, you should smell it. It smells amazing.